We have just been given our marching orders to go to Niger and convey the feelings of our heads of states in the ECOWAS region that they are not happy with what has happened, and they gave them an ultimatum that the coup peace should desist from what they are doing and give back power to an elected president. And again, to make sure that this message is sent loud and clear to them. So that's what we are here for. Well, so far, we are going there to see and convey this message to them, and then we'll listen to them. And then we come back and report back.
Of course, you are aware of the events in Niger, which the ECOWAS, under the chairmanship of President Bola Tinubu, have addressed, and they have taken certain decisions regarding how to address the challenge in Niger. Of course, this kind of situation requires solidarity, it requires coordination with all parties that could bring that are relevant to the situation. In that regard, as you know, Libya and Algeria are also very important neighbors of Niger. So my mission is to go there with a message from President Tinubu to brief them on the ECOWAS position and solicit their solidarity and cooperation. Okay. As you can see, they are carefully calibrated measures. They are not meant to be punitive. They are meant to really encourage the Niger authorities to rethink their position and retrace their steps. And they are escalating, sort of degree by degree, hoping always to find diplomatic solution. And that is the commitment of the ECOWAS heads of state. And that's why all these diplomatic activities are being redoubled apace. We hope to find that diplomatic solution. Nobody wants to go